Okay, hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Today is Thursday, and it's one of the, I believe, the last ginger videos. I did a few other ones. I did the red, and I did a pink. This one happens to be white. I was just checking the colors on it, and I was able to pull two out of the main plant, so I have three of them here. So I have yet to dig underneath them to see if we actually have some ginger. I forget what's the expression from. It looks like a bulb, but I guess it's the root of the ginger plant. So for practical purposes, we're just in the education portion of the video, or for this particular plant. So we're all learning something. I was able to ascertain the redness of the red color because it had a few blooms that were turning red. So I'm just trying to find out where the red ones went. They're around here somewhere. So we'll get there. But right now we're dealing with the white. And as you can see, there's numerous little cuttings there. Cuttings are, I'm going to find the proper wording for this. They're young plants, and they eventually will develop a bulb, which they refer to as ginger. Some of them are edible and some aren't edible. Right now we're not at that stage to see which one's edible, but I guess once we cut it open, we'll take a test and see if some have that little gingery taste and some that don't. We're all on the learning curve right now. So this is Marty Dougherty, just showing you ginger white. I'm looking to see if I see any remnants of anything that's producing a color, but at the moment I do not see anything. So we're all in this together. So that's it from Marty from the Dougherty Garden. Thank you for stopping by, and please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we need all the attention that we can get. Thank you. Bye bye.